Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be working in this home and I'm going to be taking you guys around the areas that I'm going to be working on. So this is the foyer that's attached to the formal dining room, and then you walk in. This is the stairs that I will be working on too as well. And the lights are going to be changed too, because we need good lighting, right? To go with a good themed decor. The living room and the kitchen need some makeover too, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with the family dining that's attached to the kitchen area. Now I'm going to be removing everything here and changing it to make it look really new and different for the homeowners, including the rugs. This is the corner that's by the door, and you can also see this while you're at the dining section. So I'm going to be making something here instead of what was there before. I'm just going to make a plant stand that's going to have lighting in it, because what I removed from there was a lamp. So it gave me an idea that they wanted lighting there. So I'm going to be giving them something much more soothing. And it's not just going to be lighting alone. I'm going to give it a nice ambience so that when you walk through the door, you're going to be seeing flowers and little plants. Well, these are all faux, by the way. And the link for everything is going to be down in the description box below. I want this corner to have a zen feel. So when I was done, I added LED lights to make the plants, the full plants, look much more pretty and bright too as well. The other side of the wall was covered with wallpaper, and I removed the old trash can and gave them a hidden trash can. Something that you won't really see or know that it's a trash can enclosure, just to keep the place neat. Moving on to the formal dining room, and this is the larger dining room here in the home. So here I just added wallpaper and 3D panels. The rug was changed, and they had other items in the home that they really liked, and I felt I can just reuse some of the items, like the stool you see over here. Now this particular stool looks really pretty, but it will look even better if I change the color and of course do some upholstery work. I added storage in the dining room, and I had 2 of these installed, and then I separated both of them with a shelf. Now sit tight, because all of the final results are going to be shown at the end of the video. Moving on to the next section of the home is the foyer area. I know I just worked on the dining side, but this of the corner is really close to the door, so I painted it black and left just the middle part, which I painted gray, and that is where I'm going to be having large pictures of the family displayed. The lighting is so important, so this was taken down and a new one was installed, and the one on the stairs was installed too as well. I hanged all of the crystals for this particular chandelier that's for the stairs, and it was quite interesting, and I love the way it looks. These are the lights that I used for the formal dining room and the living room. I forgot to mention that everything that I'm doing in this home was done in 6 days. 6 days. The family went out on a trip, and they're going to come back to a brand new, different home that I'm going to be giving to them. For the kitchen, I just had all the cabinets painted, and then I covered up the top area of the kitchen and added some gold details to complement the other things that I'll be putting up in the home. I used wallpaper on the pillars. I was unable to record when the rug was being pulled out from the stairs, so all I have now was after the rug has been pulled out, and you just see them working on installing the flooring, which will give the stairs a whole different look. The railings, the banisters, and behind the stairs too were all worked on. And I really appreciate the team that actually helped me put all this together because they were so diligent and so hardworking. This is another design concept that's just behind the stairs. And I'm just having some strips installed on the wall and 3D besides the strips. The homeowners insisted on leaving their furniture, so because of the color of the furniture, I chose this color for the wall to go with the furniture. Now moving on to the TV unit. I had electricity pulled out on these two sides of the wall because that's going to be extra lighting that's not going to be for the TV unit alone, but for the whole living room too as well. Frames were built for the storage at the bottom of the TV and for the fireplace. "3D panels are going to be installed around the TV area. I'm going to break the pattern here with gold strips. I added some mirror tiles around the fireplace. We're almost done, guys. So this is a rug that I chose for the dining room that's close to the kitchen area. And I changed the base of the table. This is their old glass, but it was polished and cleaned down. And you're going to see that at the end of the video. This is a rug for the living room area. That's my favorite part, putting up decor pieces up on the wall and in other areas of the home. I enlarged photos of the family, and this is by far the best for me when it came to the makeover for this home. This was really challenging pulling everything together in a week, but I am really glad and so happy that in the end, everything just fell into place. Now here's what the home looks like now. I want to let you guys know that the choice of colors in this home were because of two major factors: the kids, God bless their hearts, and the existing furnitures. Apart from some of the living room furnitures, the homeowners also wanted keeping their dining table with the dining chairs that's in the formal dining room. So because of that, I had to make sure that I use colors that's going to tie in all the decor together. Another huge change for me in this home was the stairs. This home has more lights, and it has brightened up this space, and it has also made every single corner look so unique. Here are some before and after clip of the home, just so you guys can see what it used to look like before and what it looks like now. Like I said earlier, the family was on a 7-day trip. Whew, really tiring, but let's see what their reaction was when they walked in through the door. Hello! Aww. They'll put it in there.
Surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go there. You're so sad. I was ready to go. Let me see if I'm asleep.
The family loved it. And it's my absolute pleasure that the family gave me this opportunity to work in their home. That's it for this home, but I've got more projects coming up, so stay tuned. If you're interested in a makeover or consultation, leave your details in the number that's in the description box below via text message, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos and makeover videos that are listed down in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.